Imagine a world where software works for you, not the other way around. Welcome to the age of the Great Decoupling. By 2026, software will evolve from simple tools into autonomous agents, altering how we view the $300 billion SaaS industry. This major shift transforms static software into dynamic, digital teammates. No longer mere tools, these agents execute tasks independently, marking a significant move from human-driven actions. As we step into 2026, recognize the three kills of traditional software. First, platform absorption means standalone features are now part of larger platforms. Second, zero switching costs let users easily switch when better options arise. Third, margin compression threatens profitability as API costs swallow profits. To thrive in this new era, software must embody 5 signs of impact. First, autonomy of execution allows agents to handle complex tasks. Second, deployment breadth means AI works across departments, not just one. Third, the business impact reflects in key metrics like churn and retention rates. Fourth, fast return on investment shows productivity gains in months. Fifth, system learning adapts software based on user feedback over time. We must rethink unit economics, moving away from traditional pricing models. The shift away from per-user pricing reveals its flaws. When one user can direct many agents, flat fees don't reflect the value delivered. In a world dominated by agents, 3 major pressures make traditional pricing obsolete. The agent-to-user ratio complicates pricing solely on headcount. Continuous value creation highlights that agents work continuously, making active user metrics irrelevant. Finally, the disconnected cost-to-serve structure reveals how providers subsidize their most active users. Understanding the commercial risks is essential. When usage surges faster than revenue, companies face a revenue leak. Unpredictable compute costs complicate budgeting. As users seek justifications for costs, stalled sales cycles become common. As we embrace AI, the old math of SaaS, specifically the 3:1 LTV/CAC ratio, must be reconsidered. Future leaders will aim for a 5.1 ratio, using agents for smarter customer onboarding and engagement. Expect shorter CAC paybacks as agents streamline acquisition costs, increasing lifetime value through continuous interaction. This leads us to the new standard, the Rule of 60. Here, profitable lean teams maintain high margins through the support of AI, achieving combined growth and profit margins of 60%. In the competitive landscape of 2026, horizontal AI will become a commodity, leaving vertical AI as the key player. Specialized tools for specific industries will set companies apart and reduce competition. Each company must establish defensive moats, ensuring that proprietary data or specialized workflows create value that cannot be easily copied. As we consider monetization, transitioning to outcome-based compensation is vital. Agents should be viewed as digital employees performing various tasks. This new pricing strategy parallels cost-saving benefits while ensuring companies capture the value created by AI. In the future, the M&A landscape will flourish as AI-integrated assets attract investors. Key performance indicators will shift, emphasizing the necessity of verified revenue and strong operational documentation. The Great Decoupling is reshaping SaaS for solo founders and micro businesses. Tools like SaaS Pegasus enable quick deployment and iteration, making it easier to launch operations. To navigate 2026, evaluate your value proposition with a thorough checklist. Speed will dominate, and the first to establish workflows will form the data moat essential for success. Are you ready to embrace this monumental shift? Transition your strategy from software selling to outcome selling. This new era of SaaS has arrived, and it's time to position your business for success in the realm of autonomous agents.